Hi, come walk and think with me. This is Thinking on the Move, and we're moving our bodies and our brains at the same time so we can hopefully multiply the effect. And this is so we're working our whole self so that we can be healthy for the long game of life. And hopefully it's going to be fun. We're going to be accessing some memories, and we are going to look at an image from the 1980s. The idea here is to ignite our brains with a blast from the past. And I'm going to be asking you to think of a caption about the image. Okay, so do that now. Think of a caption, look at the details. Think of a caption to go with this image. Okay, now I want us to switch and we're going to go side to side. And I'd like you to think of another another caption to go with that image. Okay, now we're really stretching our brains, and now I want you to think of a silly caption to go along with that image. How about a caption that rhymes? Do that. Now we're going to switch gears and go to hamstring curls, and we are going to be doing some sequencing patterns, and we're going to use numbers. So for example, if I did 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then the next number would be 12. Okay, so I'll give you the numbers, and then at the end of the pattern or sequence, then you tell me what the next one is. 164, 82, 41, 20.5. What's the next one? 10.25. We were just taking half of the number before. Now, 2, 4, 5, 10, 11, 22, 23. The next one is 46. We were doubling the number and then going to the next ordinal number. Ready? 6, 9, 9, 12, 12, 15, 15. The next one is 18. Good work, everybody. We're going to switch gears to knees. And I do want to let you know that anytime if the movements get too much, then you can just return to walking. And that is totally fine. Just the idea is that we're moving our brains and our bodies at the same time. So just regular walking is totally fine. I do like to mix it up a little bit so that we're moving a little bit different than just regular walking. So that's why I do it. Okay, this is going to be a read aloud. So I want you to read aloud with me. And the reason is because research has showed that reading aloud is good for our brains. So because we have to read it, so that's one process, but then you also have to vocalize it. And that's another process. This is some research on aging, so I thought it'd be interesting to share with us here. And it's a summary of an article that was called How the Mind Ages from Psychology Today. It was written by Kristen White, It was originally written in like the early 2000s, but it was last reviewed on June 9th, 2016. Here we go. Psychologist Warner Shy's research shows that significant differences in cognition emerge after the age of 60. Some individuals experience cognitive decline with age, while others maintain their abilities. An active mental lifestyle, such as engaging in mentally stimulating activities like bridge or puzzles, can help slow down cognitive decline. Chronic diseases after age 50 may contribute to mental decline, but passivity during hospitalizations could also play a role. Shy's colleague conducted a study where long-term hospital patients over the age of 65 improved their cognitive abilities through problem-solving tasks and mental strategies. Maintaining mental flexibility is crucial, and while some decline may occur, it shouldn't be considered an inevitable consequence of aging. I thought that was an interesting study, and it went well with our focus here. Now we're going to switch to walking, and for this activity we have to suspend disbelief, because it's like kind of pretending. I'm holding something amazing, which is magic putty, and it can make anything. So for example, I'm going to make a favorite toy from my childhood, and I'll do that now, and then I'll tell you about it. Okay. Okay, I made a Farrah Fawcett hairstyling head. That was one of my favorite toys. And now it's your turn. So remember to keep walking while you create a favorite toy from your childhood. Go. Oh, I'm so excited to hear about what you make. I hope you will put it in the comments. But if not, that's okay. I hope you had fun doing it, and it access some of those memories in your brain, which I think is, it's a theory that I think it is good for us to do. All right, we're going to be moving into skaters, where you cross your leg behind you, and we're going to be doing a flexibility exercise. And I'm going to ask you to think about all of the things that would be different. And I'll give you an event or something that's going to happen. And then we'll take turns. And so I'll share one, then you share one. So think about all the things that would be different if gravity worked in reverse for just 10 seconds. Okay, we'll take turns. I'm going to say first that our hair would be standing up. We couldn't drink water because water wouldn't stay in the glass. We couldn't write with pens or markers. We'd all be pulled up into the air and then we'd drop. If a ball was thrown, it would be pulled up. Things would be flying all over the place, and then everything would drop. Research on this showed me that if gravity were reversed, it would be like a black hole and everything would be pulled into it. So that sounds scary. So I'm glad that we have gravity. So I'm grateful for gravity. It's already time for us to wind this one down, this thinking on the move down. So we're going to do heel digs. So I'll back up so you can see the heel digs. And just breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And this is a 1-minute meditation. I'll put up an image and then just focus on the image, but still keep doing the heel digs, but we'll do it quiet. All right, fantastic. You did it. Give yourself a high five and do another thinking on the move now or later. And be good to yourself and just keep thinking right along. Bye.